Here's a fun lick which works over an E7 chord. Here it is again. And let's break that down. So I'm starting on the 3rd string on the 4th fret. Now I'm jumping up to string number 1, fret 7, then back to the 3rd string 4th fret, then string number 1, fret 5, string number 3, fret 4, string number 2, fret 7, string number 3, fret 4, then string number 2, fret 5, and then I reach back on string number 2 to the 3rd fret, I play it and slide. And then I go to string number 1, fret 7. So slow again. Then the slide. Here it is one more time up to speed.